This question says a fuel truck carries a half-full tank of liquid fuel. Which image illustrates the position of the fuel if brakes are suddenly applied? Is it A, where the liquid fuel sloshes towards the back of the truck? Is it B, where the fuel remains level within the tank? Or is it C, where the liquid fuel sloshes towards the front of the truck? So when the truck is driving at a uniform speed, we would expect to see something like what's shown in illustration B, which is to say, again, the liquid fuel is sitting level within the tank because there are no external forces acting upon it. But in C and A, we can clearly see that there are some external forces acting upon it. So I can say now that one of these will be for acceleration and the other will be for deceleration. So let's discuss this a little bit further. Well, in either case, this will be according to Newton's law of inertia. And Newton's law of inertia states that a body moving with uniform velocity, so again, we're kind of talking about something as in picture B, but a body with uniform velocity will try to resist any change in its original state. So starting from what we see in B, getting to, for example, A, what would need to have to happen? Well, the fuel is going towards the back of the truck or the back of the tank. And the only way that's going to happen is if the car, which is either at a uniform speed or is not moving, starts accelerating forwards. Because if the car starts accelerating forwards, well, again, the body, which is to say the liquid fuel, will resist that change and remain essentially motionless. And if it remains motionless, then as the car moves forward, then the fuel will essentially lag behind, and we'll see more of it occupied in the back of the truck. So simply from process of elimination, we now know that the answer is C. But why exactly is that the case? Well, it's essentially the opposite of what we just said for A. If the truck is suddenly decelerating, well, this liquid fuel has inertia. So even though the truck is stopping, the fuel doesn't want to stop. So we're going to see the fuel move forward towards the front of the truck. And therefore, again, the correct answer is C.